So this is exactly how I was able to fix Black Ops 2 network connection error on my PlayStation 5. So firstly, what I had to do is to go into settings here on my PlayStation 5 and then click on network. So now on network settings, just click on settings here and click on setup internet connection. And now check the Wi-Fi that you're connected to and then click on this button right here on your controller. And then you're gonna change the Wi-Fi frequency band from 2.4 to 5 instead here. And then click on advanced settings. And then in here scroll down and change the DNS settings from automatic to manual instead, as you can see. Then the primary DNS should be 8.8.8.8 as you can see, and secondary DNS set it to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK in the bottom right corner. So now just wait for it to reconnect here. It's gonna take you a couple of seconds, and if everything is okay, it's gonna reconnect, and then you can just go back to your Black Ops 2 game here once again. This completely fixed it for me, and I hope that this will be able to completely fix it for you as well.